Good morning, folks. Tech with the OK Foraging and Adventures, and today is the day. Shotgun and Rifle Season 1 for deer. Let's get out to the blind and, well, sit in the cold. Alright, folks, so we're in the blind. It's currently very close to 5 a.m. I think I jumped the gun a little because now we have 2.5 hours to wait. It is what it is. Good thing I know how to pass time. Well, folks, it's about 5:20. I've been in the blind for about 25 minutes, and, well, I heard it was either a fawn or a doe doing their little meet already. So, still got 2 hours before shooting time, so I hope it stays around and starts calling again. Alright, I'll give you another update later. Alright, guys, it's 7 a.m. And, as you can see, I just opened up the blind a little bit. There's a little bit of light out there, but shooting hour is not until 7:30, so we got half an hour to go. I have my external mic on, so I hope you guys can hear me. Anyways, let's see what pops over the hill soon. Alright, guys. First doe, I think. I need her to raise her head up. There it is. Man, I can't see if it's a buck or a doe. It almost looks like a buck. Oh, that brush is in the way. But it looks like a buck. With a small rack on top. Let's hope he comes this way. He's coming down the hill. It is a buck. It is a buck. Why are you going off though, dude? Are you chasing a doe? It looks like he's gonna come down the hill. I don't know. Oh, he's going the other way. Oh. Come back, buddy. Alright, folks, now we have a doe. Yeah. Oh, there's 3 now, guys. There's 3 now. I think. But the buck and the doe Oh my god, guys, I just zoomed in with the other thing and it's $3. It's $3. They're all back together again. But they're not coming. Oh, what's going on, guys? Oh. Why? What's going on? What chased you guys? Oh, there's a fourth one coming up. Oh. Well. Hello there. Holy cow, what's going on here? That's gotta be a doe for sure. She popped up out of the grass. She startled the bucks. What the heck? Well, that was pretty exciting, but they all moved off. What was that? Shh. There's something behind me. Well, folks, the temperature kept dropping. Oh, but wait. That noise that was behind me was a frickin' turkey. Can't see a turkey during turkey season, but you can see them during deer season. That's the way it goes, right? So, anyways, I am back at the shack. Gonna warm up a little bit, eat some lunch, and then we'll go back out and see how we do. I think I am gonna move my blind if I don't get anything this afternoon. I'm gonna move my blind to where I was a couple years ago. I'll put that video right here for you guys. But anyways, actually, right there. Yeah, where we got a doe, like, first morning. And I think that's where those bucks in that were coming from, was where I was set up a couple years ago. I did not hunt last year, so. But anyways, yeah, time to warm up, eat some lunch, and then we'll get back out there. All right, folks. All right, folks, so first thing is coffee. And then I'm going to do a dehydrated beef stew and the leftover brats. I am hungry. Well, that beef stew lives to see another day because I didn't even eat it. I finished the brats and stuff off, and well, I'm ready to get back out there, guys. So let's go. All right, guys. So it's time to get into the woods and stalk some, I hope. Doesn't hurt. Beats sitting here. Well, the scenery sure has changed in 2 years. You see this behind me? There used to be a giant tree, and this is where I used to put my stand or my blind. Crazy. So I think tomorrow I'll just sit here. I won't put my blind up. I'm just gonna come and sit in the cold and see how I do. I think that's the best course of action for tomorrow. But tonight we're gonna go behind me, go back to the woods and see if there's anything there. Well, just my luck. Scared out about 20 turkeys. Let's see if I can get him in the roost there. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Nope, this way. There he is. There he is. You see. Oh no, that's the guy. That's the guy. Alright, guys. Back at it. Okay, you guys can't see them, but there's 3 does. I'm going to try and belly crawl over to them. They can't see me right now. And I hope they don't take off. Oh, folks, there's two does right behind that point right there of the cedars. I'm going to sit here and wait them out. Maybe they'll come out. Or maybe I'll just be sitting here for a while. And I lost the tripod, shooting stick holder thing. God dang, bad luck. Well, I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes. Thank goodness it's 35 degrees outside and, well, feels like 30, but it's not bad. I'm gonna keep waiting. I'm hoping they're gonna pop through or they're gonna come back. So, we'll see. You guys want to hear something funny? I went back there to camp and I had brats and stuff because I thought I was eating lunch. It's just now 10:30. Oh my goodness gracious. So, I guess I'll have lunch out here. Holy cow, guys, the doe came out. Okay, I gotta set up. I don't have a tripod to video. They freaking came around me. Gosh darn it. Well, folks, it's actually really noon now, and I'm back up. This has been strange. Normally I've seen 50 at least, minimum, by now. So far we've seen maybe 15. And normally I'm hearing gunshots all over. I've heard 3 today. 3. So I think I'm going to change up my game plan. Tomorrow morning we're going to stalk. Tonight I am going to go sit at this lane that, well, it's a creek on one side, wood on the other side. So I'm hoping they'll try and go through that lane either to get to the woods or to get to the creek. So, yeah, just strange. I've never seen such few deer before. So, anyways, yeah, noon, eat lunch. Well, folks, look at this steaming goodness right there. Rehydrated beef stew. It was freeze dried. Yeah, freeze dried, or is it frozen dried? Freeze dried. I'll say freeze dried. Anyways, I'm gonna let it cool off so I don't burn my mouth. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go change things up, and we're gonna do a new game plan for tonight's hunt. Well, guys, I got the hunting blind moved. I'm trying to cool off a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys here in a little bit what I did. So this morning, the deer were just all too far off, right? So this little alley here, it's only like 30 yards across. I mean, yeah, it's further that way, but it's only 30 yards across. On the left is the creek. On the right is the woodlands. So, I'm hoping this works. It's been half an hour since I moved the blind, so now I'm gonna open the windows up just to kind of see if anything has moved. I usually keep it closed for the first half hour or so that way whatever's around me has time to get used to seeing the blind there without movement. Alright, folks, power hour for day 1. Let's hope something comes in. Well, I just heard 6 shots coming from that way. They were pretty fast shots, so I'm hoping they missed. And they're going to chase something this way. That's all I can hope for. the wind is playing in my favor this way. So, if those guys missed, hopefully they're on their way here. Well, apparently they got what they shot at, because I see them with their four-wheeler going to retrieve. So no deer coming my way. Darn it! What is that? Did you guys hear it? That right there. Well, folks, that noise turned out to be a turkey in the roost. I have never heard turkeys do that. So that was pretty interesting. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm back in the shack getting ready for some supper. Man, today was a grind. It really, really was. Saw some nice deer, but couldn't get them close enough. And like I said earlier, not nearly half as many deer as I used to see. But we still have a couple more days. Let's get supper going. Well, folks, for supper tonight, it's almost like the brats yesterday. So we're going to start with, well, some melting butter right now. I'll throw in some onions. Alright, and now we'll throw in some mushrooms again. Oh, yeah. But tonight, yesterday we forgot. We're going to add a little garlic. Get that sauteing. Oh yeah. Just like last night, we're going to add a little cabbage. Oh yeah. And to that, we'll add our veggie seasoning again. Oh yeah. And now that everything's almost completely cooked, we'll add our meat. This was just a New York strip that I cut in half because, well, I don't eat as much as I used to. And it's easier to pre-slice, so I don't have to sit there and try to cook it. This way it can all cook at the same time. And just like that, supper is done, folks. Oh man. Yeah. Woo-wee. It is done. Look at that again. Beautiful. Supper's done. Just a touch of hot sauce. Oh yeah. Just a touch, because, you know, we still got to hunt tomorrow. Let's see what this first tastes like. You can't beat it, guys. Unless it was the deer that I get. You can beat it that way. Alright, folks, I'm just going to eat. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. can't see it, but you can hear it. There's fireworks going on. I don't know why. Huh. That was weird. Alright guys, the Crocs are on. There's my dessert for the night. I'm just gonna, well, probably hit the hay soon. Alright folks, thanks for sticking with me so far. I hope you guys continue to watch, because I think I am just gonna go straight on to day 2. And keep this as one video. Maybe. We'll see you in the morning.